Here's how you can make a Cubano sandwich from the movie Chef.
Look at that. Can I get a little of that?
Can I have some?
There you go. See this water? Bang. Is it hot?
Oh,
Now watch me, watch what I'm doing.
2 slices of ham.
2 slices of cheese. 1, 2. 2 pickles. 1, 2. Now watch this. Take this mustard from end to end. This is what makes it a Cubano. Take the butter. See that?
Yeah.
On top. Butter the griddle. In. Just like that. Now watch. I want you to watch for the bread to get golden.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, see how golden that is?
3 equal pieces.
See what we got?
All right, here we go. Ah, he's safe.
Look at that cheese.
Oh, that bread, juicy. Okay, wait, so in the movie, what do they use? They use pork, right?
Yeah, they use ham.
So what exactly did we...
This is corned beef brisket. It's more halal than pork. I think a spicier sauce on it. It's a little bit...
Yeah, they didn't
like
use any
it's,
sauce. They just used mustard. If you had to rate this, what is it?
7.8.
It's a bit better than that, man. Like,
Really?
your brisket's good. 8.1, 8.2?